I'm going to sue the shit out of you because for what? Violating my civil rights.
Okay. Have a good day, Donnie.
I'm not in the crime scene. What the fuck? Look at this guy. Put your shit away, bro. What the fuck's wrong with you?
You are right now.
Why?
And I'm gonna show you the paperwork that proves that I can record her face.
You can show me.
Have you ever watched a police encounter and immediately felt that something wasn't right? In today's First Amendment Audit and ID Refusal compilation, you'll see three very different confrontations. One officer claims a citizen crossed into a crime scene. Another faces accusations of enforcing rules that may no longer apply. And a third insists a public employee cannot be filmed inside a public building. Were these officers protecting public safety, misunderstanding the law, or crossing constitutional boundaries? More importantly, did the citizens help their cause or make things worse? Watch closely, examine the facts, and decide for yourself. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to ID Refusal Pro, and don't forget to support the original creators whose footage made this analysis possible.
Huh?
Where are you headed?
What do you mean, where am I headed?
Where are you going?
I'm in public. I could be wherever I
No,
want.
you're not in public. You're in a crime scene.
Where?
This vehicle here is involved in a crime. You're inside of a crime scene. That's why I'm politely
Well, why do you have
asking
three
where you're
officers standing around over there not telling me that I can't be in your crime scene then?
going. Okay. Can you get out of the crime scene, please?
But where's the crime scene?
Get out of the crime scene, please.
Is this an official crime scene, sir?
Get out of the crime scene,
Where's
please.
your
I'm telling
crime
you it
scene?
is. It's an official crime scene. That vehicle right there is reported stolen. I need to get out of the
Well,
crime
I'll
scene.
step over here then.
Thank you.
You ain't gotta be an asshole about
Excuse
it.
me.
dude.
Get out of the crime scene, please.
I'll get out. I'm moving. Don't
Yes,
you see
you
me
are.
moving? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Yeah.
If you are in my crime scene, that's what's wrong.
Okay, well, you got three officers
Okay,
that
get
didn't
out
say
of the
anything
street,
about
please.
being in a crime
Get out of
scene,
the
so I
street,
don't
please.
understand what your fucking problem is.
You're my problem right now. You're in my crime scene.
Yeah. Here you go. I'm out of your crime scene.
Sir, I will cite you for being in the street illegally. Get out of the
Oh
street.
my God. 2
Thank
feet
you.
away? 2 feet away.
Yes, sir. In the
Fucking
street.
idiot.
That's
Get
illegal.
out of my
You're in the
face.
street.
Get out of my face, sir.
Okay, yes, sir. I will do that right now.
In August 2018, Los Angeles, California, a citizen journalist recording police activity near an alleged crime scene suddenly found himself in a heated confrontation with an officer who appeared more focused on the camera than the investigation itself. Was the cameraman actually interfering, or was this another First Amendment audit revealing a misunderstanding of public recording rights? As tensions rise, one question begins to dominate the encounter. Where does officer authority end and citizen rights begin?
What's your name and badge number?
It's right there. I'm not hiding it.
All right, well,
Get out
I'm
of
in the street
please.
again.
Get out of the street.
Morales, 19442. Fuck off. Go away.
Yes,
Go
sir.
do your job.
Okay.
Go do your job, bro.
Yes, sir. I'm not your bro.
Ma'am, go do your job, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, sir.
There you go.
I'm going.
What a piece of shit.
What's that?
I said, what a piece of shit.
I can't hear you.
I said, what a piece of shit.
Who's that?
Yeah, here you go, folks.
What's that?
Look at this guy. This fucking guy right here. Sir, you can go back to work.
I can't hear you, sir. Speak up, please.
Go back to work, asshole.
I still can't hear you.
Yeah, of course you can, because you're a fucking
okay,
idiot.
I'm sorry.
That's
I
why.
hear you mumbling, but I can't hear what you're
Yeah,
saying.
because you're an idiot. That's
So
why
let me
you
know
don't
when you're ready to say
understand.
something that I can hear you.
Yeah. Why don't you go away, dude?
I still can't hear you, sir.
Yeah, if you can fucking, if you can say I can't hear you, you can fucking hear me, dude.
Anything I can help you with?
Here. Let me get you on 2 cameras.
2 cameras? Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It's facing the wrong way. There you go. That's better.
Nothing's facing the wrong way. You're
I
facing
hear
the wrong
mumbling. I'm
way.
sorry. I can't make out what you're saying.
You know, you're not even worth my time, dude. You're a piece of shit. The crime scene's on that side. the fuck do we hire police officers like this to police the people? Fucking dumb idiots that have no education and fucking don't even have a fucking hearing. What kind of shit is that?
Sir,
Don't
you can't
stand
go
behind
past
me.
the crime scene. Back up, please. Back
I'm not
up.
in the crime scene. What the fuck? Look at this guy. Put your shit away, bro. What the fuck's wrong with you?
You are right now.
Why?
Because
I thought you
you're-
said your
you're
crime
trying to
scene
go
was
to
over
my crime
there.
scene. Well, you thought wrong.
Motherfucker, get away from me.
Okay.
Go, get back.
Okay.
Fucking tyrant.
Okay.
Piece of shit tyrant motherfucker, dude. Back up. Look at this guy. Look at this
Careful, you
guy.
might trip in the back. There's some bushes back
Don't
there.
worry about me.
I am worried for your safety.
Oh, you're gonna beat me up, but you're worried about my safety. You fucking
I was
piece of
gonna beat
shit.
you up.
Fuck you.
Okay, thank you.
Fucking idiot.
Okay, thank you.
Look at this piece of shit. And then you wonder why good cops get fucking hurt out there on the field
Oh, I
because
don't
of dumb
wonder, sir.
motherfuckers
Thank
like
you,
you.
thank you for your-
Dumb piece
thank
of
you for
shit
your
motherfuckers
concern.
like you, dude.
Thank you for your concern, sir.
Fucking idiot.
Thank you. Thank you for your opinion.
What department are you out of?
I still can't hear you.
What department are you out of, you
It says
fucking
it right
piece of
there, sir.
shit?
It says Los Angeles Police Department.
Yeah, what
Out of the
department?
city. Los Angeles.
What department?
Los Angeles. sir.
West Division, South Division, you're from Devonshire, where the fuck you from?
Oh, you're asking what division I work with.
Didn't
oh,
I
okay.
fucking say that?
No, sir. You said what department.
I said, what division are you out of?
Oh, sir. You said
Oh,
what
you're a
department
fucking
do you
idiot.
work out of. Please
What a
do your
piece of
research
shit.
before you ask this question.
What happens when an officer claims someone is inside a crime scene but fails to clearly establish the boundaries? Under the First Amendment, citizens generally have the right to record police performing duties in public, provided they do not physically interfere. From the officer's perspective, scene security and public safety are legitimate concerns. From the citizen's perspective, lawful observation and accountability are protected activities. The key legal question is whether the cameraman actually interfered with police operations, or whether the confrontation escalated because of protected recording activity.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a good
All right,
evening.
do me a favor,
What's up?
please. I need you for the rest of your service to
Yeah.
take care of yourself, because I'm going to
Look,
attach myself.
I wanted
You and I
you-
are now going to be partners, because you are going to get
I believe-
fucking godsmacked.
I believe in what you're trying to do. I'm just trying to make sure that you do it correctly and you have the right
Apparently,
information.
you don't believe in what it is I'm
Okay.
trying to do.
All right.
No, not all right. Because
Okay.
I'm going to take you to court, and
Okay.
you're going to lose. And then after you lose, I'm going to sue the shit out of you, because
For what?
for what? Violating my civil rights.
Okay. Have a good day, Donnie.
Who else is down there?
What's that?
Who's in that other?
Training.
He's in training. Oh, we got to make sure we go get him.
All right.
He's not the one with the Mustang. Oh, no, he wouldn't be. He wouldn't have that black truck. That black truck's $100,000 plus truck.
I never know.
How often is it that you guys get new recruits that are senior recruits, shall we say?
I was.
What?
I was.
Oh no, seriously, no bullshit. Let me seriously, let me ask you a question. You
I
say,
came from the sheriff's department. I was there 6 years.
all right. Well, I mean, look, between you and I,
Okay.
you really don't look that old. So, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
How old am I?
Yeah.
Why? How old
Because
do
you
you
don't.
think I am? I
You?
served 11 years in the Marine Corps.
Nah.
Yes, I did.
If I,
Battle of
no,
March of
like,
2000
honestly, no bullshit.
Battle of March of 2010.
Honestly, like, I know he's a younger officer. No offense, but you can kind of tell just a little bit. But if I was to look
I
at
look
you,
good for my age? Is that what you're saying?
I hate to say it.
All
I
right,
really hate
thanks.
to say it, but
How
yeah.
old am I?
If I was to look at you, maybe 32, 33.
Nope. Way higher.
Way higher.
Yep. Got to work out and eat healthy.
So
every day.
you were in the Marines for 11 years,
Did active and reserve
active reserve. Okay.
Yep.
All right. And then you said you worked at the sheriff's department,
for 6 years.
Ocean or Monmouth.
Ocean.
So
So that's why I know a lot of that case
18.
law, 'cause I
So
got
let's
the-
see,
I got the watch
18,
a lot.
29. So you'd be like what, about 45 or so, maybe.
Could be.
Look, I'm gonna get it anyway, so it doesn't make a bit of difference.
Okay.
But I'm just asking you as a matter of fact, because I really hate to say it, but
When you go looking me up and you do all that stuff,
Mhm.
make sure you don't violate Daniel's law.
which is I'm not.
Daniel's law.
I'm not gonna. No. Just so you know.
You look us up.
Yeah,
I'm on
just so-
Daniel's law. I'm on
Just
all
so,
the lists.
just so you know, I have no intent of
We are
I have no intent of publishing your address, doxing you guys,
Doxing, all that stuff.
publishing your home phone numbers or anything like that.
Yeah, you know that
No,
stuff.
I know I'm not coming to your
They are
house.
not
No. I know. Just so we're clear, as much as I'm going to be back there at probably 9 o'clock in the morning, okay. I am not that's why I made it clear to the sergeant. I'm not going to be in there late at night because I know even though you guys have light, like a graveyard night shift, whatever it is you guys call it, or swing, whatever it is, I'm not going there late at night because I could. No, forget about it.
What's inconvenient hours for the court?
Inconvenient hours is when it's open. Police station's open 24 hours a day.
Well,
all right, but no. I'm not. It doesn't make a bit of difference. I could be at 24 hours a day filming if I.
In October 2024, in Jackson Township, New Jersey, a public filmer returned to a police facility after receiving a trespassing summons. What followed was not an argument about cameras, but a debate over constitutional rights, police authority, and recent court decisions involving license plate enforcement. Was the auditor exposing official misconduct or misunderstanding the law himself? And why did both sides believe the courtroom would ultimately decide the outcome?
Oh yeah, no, I know I can.
We can't.
What do you mean?
We have inconvenient hours.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do. I can't come knocking on your door past 10. 10 to 5. Inconvenient hours.
What do you mean?
Stuff like that. Yeah.
All right. So just as a matter of record.
Well, it depends. Did did someone else call? It's a little different.
All right. Well, no.
You have to have a reason.
If somebody says that I committed a crime, like how
we can come now.
Okay, you can come.
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of what I thought.
What I'm saying is, if I have
at the police station, you don't have hours, and I'm not worried about that. But yes, I do understand what you're saying about not publishing your home addresses and all that other stuff. All right, what other people?
Good?
Yeah. No, he's under vocal control. What people do with the information, that's up to them. But you want to know something? It's no different than the cameras outside your police station, which I am going to subpoena, not subpoena, but Oprah.
Okay.
Every Tesla that you see on the road, every dash cam you see on the road, every pretty much business that you see is recording you 24 hours a day. Most houses nowadays, or even apartments,
I don't know what you're
they have video so they can get your license plate. And you and I both know that while I can get an app, or I can subscribe to an app that will give me the registered owner's name and address, okay. I don't have access to the same information you have, nor do I want it.
You're trying to circumvent it?
No, I'm not going to try and circumvent that.
I'll just make sure that the judge notes that.
Oh yeah, no, make sure the judge notes that because that's over.
You're just trying to circumvent the
law
and then give our information away for other people to die. I got it. That's
no.
what you said.
No, I'm not trying to give your information away, but if people do it, that's up to them.
What's really the matter?
What's the matter?
Yeah.
You guys are thieves. That's what's the matter. Well, it may not be you, and I can't sit there. No. You want to know something? You're right. I shouldn't say that. I should say some of the officers at the police department are thieves and engaged in improper activity.
What?
Well, I was there the other day doing this. I told you I had this whole big thing with Candido because he tried the same bullshit and realized that he couldn't. Your internal affairs officer, when I filed the complaint against them, realized he couldn't. All right, now because I heard them behind the glass in your little interview. I heard him cry. I heard Candido crying. All right, not crying, but whining, rather, I should say, in regards to me being back there. I know for a fact that I cannot go into the parking lot. Into the parking lot.
So you can't go in that entire area. Those signs are like lines. Okay?
Yeah, I understand that.
So, we're not going to come. We know who you are, Don. So,
I know.
When you're trying to do stuff.
No.
We don't have to ask for your ID. We don't have to ask.
I'm not
going to give you a summons.
I'm not asking you. I understand. I understand that we have enough of a relationship.
I think what you're misunderstanding.
What happens when a citizen believes a police department is enforcing rules that courts have already limited? In this encounter, the discussion centers on trespass enforcement, public filming rights, recent New Jersey case law, and Daniels Law privacy protections. From the officer's perspective, protecting restricted areas and safeguarding personal information are legitimate governmental interests. From the citizen's perspective, public accountability, First Amendment activity, and challenging government action through the courts are protected rights. The key legal question becomes whether the trespass order was lawfully applied, and whether the citizen's conduct actually exceeded protected public filming activity.
How are you, sir?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. We've met before.
I believe we have.
Yes. You don't have to back up, I'm not going to hurt you.
All right, how are you doing?
Good.
What's going on in there?
Well, you wanted to come and buy some stamps, is that what you wanted to do?
I want to go inside. I'm going to take a picture of their poster that they said they don't have, which is in there.
All right.
And I'm going to record my whole transaction.
Okay. The only thing that they asked is that the young lady at the counter doesn't want to be videoed.
Well, she shouldn't work in a public accessible place.
Listen, I'm trying to be the neutral in this so that I don't. Other people have rights, not just yourself.
Okay, but
You
it's
understand that?
I understand, but if we have freedom of press in the United States.
I understand that, but just like anything else, there's certain things that we have to. It's called common courtesy.
Okay, well,
it's
she
called
can.
being an adult. She will help you, but she's asking that you not videotape her.
I'm probably going to have to decline to that, but
Well, then I'm going to have to go back in there, and I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying to be. You're making me the bad guy.
No,
For whatever reason, you're trying to make everybody else the bad person. I'm trying to help you, and you don't see that.
they make themselves bad persons.
But you're putting me in the middle.
You guys are here to protect our rights.
I am here to make sure her rights are protected also.
Exactly, but she's at work, and we also have
I
our.
understand
Let me tell you something. We have our right to film government officials and government employees in public areas.
Well, okay, you can take that to court, and you can argue that.
Well, how's this? She could take me to court for it.
Well, I may not let you inside based on the fact that you can take me to court. Then I'm
Why-
trying to be an adult here. Listen. I'm trying to be. I'm trying to be helpful. You know me. I helped you out last time.
You actually.
You gave me a grade A. Come on.
I gave you. I said you were actually cordial about it, but you weren't educated about it.
Well, listen. We can go back and forth with the educational part of it, and that's what. Even if I'm wrong and you're right, then I also have that opportunity to have a judge make that decision to whether or not I'm right or wrong. And so, do you want to go to that point? Do you want to get your stamps?
So
she doesn't want to. She doesn't want her face on video. She doesn't want it on Facebook, and she does have that expectation to privacy.
Well, maybe she could have another person do her job for her.
She's the only one in there that can do that particular
That's
point.
Listen,
I'm asking you as an adult, one man to another man, an adult with common sense, common courtesy. You can go in there and you have that right. She is simply asking not to have her face on Facebook, which is her right. Now, you can argue with the judge. You're not going to argue with me in the street.
Let me ask you something. Did you swear to protect?
In November 2018, at a United States post office in Providence, Rhode Island, Auditing America returned after police had already been called twice. This time, he wanted to enter the public lobby, record his transaction, and find Poster 7. But one question drives the entire encounter. Can a public employee refuse to be filmed in a public access area?
Protect the Constitution of the United States.
Yes, I am, and I'm also sworn to protect everybody else's rights, not just yours. It
But
doesn't
you're
say
impeding-
your name.
but you're impeding-
It doesn't say your name and your rights. It doesn't say her name.
It says the
I
citizens
have
of the
to make
United
a
States.
judgment call.
I'm a citizen of the United
I
States.
have to make a judgment call right now. Now, if you're going to go in there and you're going to film her face, even after I, as an adult, man to man, common courtesy is asking you not to, then I am not going to let you in. Then you and I can go to court and we can discuss it with the judge. Where do you want to go with it?
Okay, why are you standing behind me? Why are you standing behind me, 200? Why are you standing behind me, 200?
Listen, stay focused.
This guy is dangerous.
Okay, he's
This
dangerous. All right.
this guy's dangerous.
He's dangerous.
I'm gonna tell you something.
All right. Answer the question.
I'm not gonna record her
Okay.
face
All right, thank you.
just
See how
because
easy that was?
just because you're telling me that's the only way I could go in there. I'm gonna record the lobby.
Yeah,
I won't
okay.
record her face.
You can record me, the
But
lobby.
but
not her.
I'm gonna come back to you later
Okay.
on,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna show you the paperwork that proves that I can record her
Listen,
face.
you can show me whatever paperwork it is. I don't need paperwork from you. If you want to go to a judge, we have that opportunity, and you have that right to go to a judge. But until a judge tells me that a court worker can't be videoed, she's not going to be videoed. We're going to be grown-ups about this. You want to be grown-ups about it? We'll be grown-ups about it.
I'm gonna listen. You're the sergeant that I spoke before I spoke with
Yeah.
you. Great guy.
Yeah, he is.
Great guy.
Yep.
And he sat down and he listened to me.
Yeah, he
okay?
did. I know he did. I was there when you were there.
I have an appointment with Commissioner Perry coming up.
Good. And you can tell Commissioner Perry the same thing.
And
I'm
we're
telling
gonna
you here.
and I will, and he will be seeing all these videos.
Good.
Now, I'm gonna go back in there. I'm gonna record it.
Okay.
And I'm gonna leave.
And you actually asked me to be here to go inside with you, correct?
Of course, because
so you're asking police
of course,
for assistance.
Of course.
Okay, so I'm
Because
giving you assistance.
because 200 back here.
200 actually just drove by and asked, saw me talking to you,
He
wanted to
told-
make sure I'm all set.
No, he was here earlier.
Okay.
And he threatened to arrest me too.
This is his post.
So
Okay, so
no
what do you wanna
problem.
do? You
I
wanna
won't
go
record.
inside?
I won't record her face.
All right, thank you.
I'm gonna exercise my rights halfway like you're asking me to.
Okay. All right.
Because you're unaware of public photography laws.
All right.
And I'll be on my way.
Okay, it's a judgment call I'm making, and if we have to go to court and have a judge tell me that it's different, then that's...
How many years of service?
31.
31 years.
31. Probably older than you.
I'm 32.
See, when you were a baby, I was on the job.
You was already, so you should know about this, man. Come on.
Well, you know, listen, like I said, you should know about this. Police officers make judgment calls every day. And I'm having a lady inside there who's wished to have her rights protected also. Can you appreciate that? Yes or no? Can you appreciate somebody else wants their rights protected? You can't answer that because that's a common courtesy.
I stand up for my rights.
It's a common
I don't care.
courtesy. Do you want to go inside? Yes or no? Because now you're tying up my time.
Let's go in. Let's go inside.
Let's go. Watch out for cars.
And we're going inside, guys. We're exercising our rights, but halfway.
Across all 3 encounters, the same pattern appears. Police authority, public filming, and constitutional limits collide in real time. Video 1 shows poor scene control and emotional escalation, giving police a D and the citizen a C for strong accountability but weak tone. Video 2 shows a more legal-heavy dispute over trespass, Daniel's Law, and accountability, giving police a C and the citizen a B-. Video 3 is the clearest rights debate. Poster 7, First Amendment filming, and public lobby access, giving police a C+ and the citizen a B. The smarter solution is simple. Officers should give clear lawful boundaries, citizens should stay calm, and viewers should keep learning before the next Tyrant Cop Files video appears on screen.